You know, 99.9% of the people that know me can testify that anytime I come up with an idea, it usually goes like this. You know what we should do today? We should go to San Francisco.
$20 minutes later.
¿Quién me voy? Ya va. Ahí nos vemos. Bye, mamá.
Estás loco, vos eres loco. Míralo, Eli.
Thank you very much, my friend. See you next time.
Thank you. See
Have
ya.
a great day, my friend.
You too. So currently it's around like 4 a.m. and I had to get picked up by my Lyft, and I couldn't find my way out of the airport. So I just kept looping around the airport until I finally asked somebody for some help.
Uber?
Yeah.
Go up this way and head towards that way. That would be Terminal 1. You're gonna make the right towards the air train. That's where all the Uber pickups are.
Oh, okay. Thank you. What the hell? There he is. So we made it, and we're here in San Francisco, and I think here is the San Francisco Bridge. So 4:34, and we have to head back at 11 o'clock if I want to make it back tomorrow before work on Wednesday. So starting to get a little windy, so we're just gonna keep it pushing. Oh snap, it's the boys. Yeah, it's about to be 5:46, and we have to wait till 7 for sunrise. I'm gonna head back down and adventure a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the sun is coming up. We have sunrise. I've been out here for about 3 hours. It's gonna be a great sunrise. Got the time lapse going. I know it's windy AF right now, but do y'all see this? I guess crazy is one way to put it. How's that one TikTok go? And once you find that light, you shall receive that light. I guess I brought this upon myself. Damn it, I forgot my skateboard. I gotta go back. I do have to worry about getting back to my plane on time. We should be back at like 10, so it's 7. About to be 8 right now. Let's see if I can skate around for a little bit and then catch a Lyft or an Uber. Let's also see if we can get some coffee. I don't know why I put so much emphasis in it, but now time to go up this big ass hill. Gotta get ready first. Can't do that anymore. Bruh. What? This is crazy. this seat.
That is the story, and you know, people here should learn how to appreciate life here, man. It's like, that's all I gotta say. Just be humble about it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it was,
Okay, just hop
I
on.
enjoyed talking to you.
Later.
All right,
Take
thank you.
care.
All right, drive safe. Have fun. Hello.
Ah, llegó mi loco. ¿Y papito?
Ahí bien.
No me contestaste si yo te llamé.
Estaba en el avión.
Oh. ¿Cómo están?
Bien, ¿está?
¿A qué le digo que me echo de menos? Si no me echo de menos, venís a por toda la vieja.